everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we are going to be using dip powders from Tropical Daze Dips, and I'm super excited to try out these powders. It is a newer brand, and I'm already obsessed with the packaging and these jars. I really like the clear jar and the name of each dip powder on the bottom. I love that, so you can kind of see what the color is in the jar. And then check out this awesome resin nail prop. It is stunning, and they also have other nail props on their website. Now, the first color here, it's called Merry and Bright, and it is a beautiful, vibrant red with a hint of shimmer to it. The shimmer is very subtle, and this is more of a cooler undertone red. And then the next one here, before we dive into that, each dip powder also has that protective seal on it, so I really like that. So this one here is called Throw Me Something Mister, and it is awesome. Check out that gold and that irregular glitter in there and that pop of purple. I love it. It is a Mardi Gras color, but paired with Merry and Bright, it is giving me all those cozy holiday vibes, and I had to use these two colors together. I really like this combo. And then for today's mani, we are going to be making press-ons, and we're also going to be doing the gel method. I'm going to be using the Modelones base and the top coat. So the first color we're going to be using here, it's called Throw Me Something Mister. And all that gold goodness is totally melting my heart. I love it. And you will see it here in action. It is super pretty, and I'm completely obsessed with this color. So I had to use it not only for the holidays, but I'm definitely going to be using it again in another video for a Mardi Gras video, because this color, check it out. Look at that pigment and all that fun glitter on there. There's just something about the gold and the irregular shape glitter with that pop of purple that is fantastic for that upcoming Mardi Gras season. And check it out. It just lays so flat on the nails with those irregular glitters. Now, Tropical Daze Dips is having a sale coming out on December 24th, and it's going to run through January 1st. And now's the time for you to check it out, because they are going to be releasing new colors. Right now on the website, you can get the Christmas collection and a New Year's Eve collection, and both collections are amazing. But on the 24th, they're going to be releasing 16 new colors, plus you can save 40% off with code Christmas40, all one word. So that's super awesome that they are providing a really great discount and releasing amazing colors. So that's something to definitely take advantage of. And I'm already obsessed with these dip powders. You will see that here. If you haven't figured it out yet, you will definitely see it here that I'm pretty obsessed with these dip powders already. So I'm really excited to see what the new colors are, because if it's anything like the two colors we're using today, I'm super excited. All right, so also I'm going to go ahead and link the Tropical Daze Instagram and Facebook information in the description box below, so you can go ahead and follow those, and then you can catch up on all the sneak peeks of new colors coming out and the sale information. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I am loving the gold paired with that beautiful red. And I can't wait to use Throw Me Something Mister in another mani and pair it with purple for the perfect Mardi Gras mani. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use for today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons. And don't forget to take advantage of that 40% off sale with Tropical Daze Dips starting on December 24th and running through January 1st. And stay tuned for more manis on my channel featuring Tropical Daze Dips. And I'll see you in the next upload.